welcome back. I wanted to do a really quick video today of how to buy Color Street. What I want to do is show you guys how to buy it on your phone device as well as on the computer. You will type in Color Street. It will give you all the different sites. I would suggest Color Street, Home. Here you are. You see that? While you're here, you will go under Shop. Let's do Shop All. Ooh, look how beautiful. All right, so you're adding some things. This is everything that's in stock. So let's add, you want to make sure that you always do buy 3 get 1 free. You don't have to, but that's the best way to go. Hold your shopping bag. Always make sure you put 4 so you could get your free one. If you just want to get 1 or 2, that's fine too. But don't put 3 thinking that, the 4th one would just show up. You have to put 4 there to be able to get your free. This is actually already under my stylist. See my name? Now, you will click one of the nail bars if you want to shop with one of these, but let's say this is not your person, which it should be your person. And right here it says, not my stylist. You would go there and already have a stylist. You could search by name and you could shop under her. You see, you get her information. Not your stylist and you don't know anybody. You don't know a stylist yet? Enter your zip code. See who's near you, where you're from. Press search. Oh, look at that. This girl is right here. You see how this goes? So then you select that person and then you're giving them credit and they will get an email telling them that you purchased through them. So, let's check out. You would have to make sure you sign in. If you don't have an account, you create an account or you could just continue as guest. I'm just gonna do that. You will enter all your information. You would put ship to this address. Now all you have to do is enter a payment type and you would enter all the information here, and the next screen it's gonna be for you to pick a shipping, which they could do FedEx or USPS. And this is my the total estimated tax. So that's that.
Type colorstreet.com. You can scroll down until you find Color Street Home. This is the main screen for the Color Street. Go under Shop. You could pick Shop All. Feel free to click on a nail bar if you're part of a nail bar party on Facebook. Start adding things to your bag, to your cart. Go to the right-hand side, the top right-hand side. This is your cart. It's showing how you got a 1 for free, $13. Was a free one because you did a buy 3 get 1 free. I added 4 to my cart. You have to sign in if you have an account or create a new account. Right now we're just going to do continue as guest. Enter all your information. You'll confirm your address. You have to enter a credit card number and pick a shipping method. We have FedEx and USPS. If you don't have a stylist, you go on the top where it says not my stylist. You could look for people by name if you know someone who sells it, or you could simply enter your zip code and see who is around your area. This is mine. So I'm the stylist on this one, but this is pretty much how you shop.
Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up, and please, if you have questions, comment below. I love reading them and I love replying to them. Good or bad, I'll take it all. Bye.